I'm office clerk. You're a doctor? What's your problem? Yeah, I can vouch to that. Filipinos are very reliable. Maybe there are some, just like other countries, there are some more, you have this black sheep. But most Filipinos are very loving. Yeah, it's true. From where are you, tech boy? But I remember you, but I can't remember what country. No, I don't speak Indonesian language. Oh, single. But you speak English, right, Anasha? Hi, Sagar. Musta, how are you? Sagar is back, Karen. I don't know if you remember him. He's the chatter yesterday. How you can find someone? I don't know. There's a lot of ways you can meet them. What country are you? Philippines. I'm from the Philippines, guys. That's cool, Sagar. Well, Karen will be ballistic. She'll be ecstatic if she did. Yeah, see, Karen is very happy. Thank you, Shiju Panju. Yeah, Bella, Bella, Bella. Wow. No speaking Indonesian. Oh yeah, I remember from Dubai. There's a lot of Filipina there. Filipinas are everywhere. But there's also modern kind of way you can do it online dating apps, I guess. There are a lot. You're teasing Karen Sagar. Now it's making this chat room very alive. Okay, I'm Bila. Everyone support support. I'm Billy. Then I will. Yeah, I'm from Mars and Karen is from Venus. See, we're everywhere. But Karen is Chinese. So she's in Venus. I'm here in Mars. Hi, Ray Gaming. What kind of experience are you talking about? How old are you? Hello, Rao. Welcome back. You did 3 short. Yeah, you start by making shorts and you'll be attracting a lot of subscriber there. And if you reach that prescribed subscriber, you can go live. Jupiter. And we'll see each other. We'll be orbiting the universe, Sagar. Karen, me, you, orbiting the universe. Oh, so you're still young. Yeah, Karen is doing fine. At the same time, she's studying. Hi, Ravi. How are you? I'm not your boss. Everything is fine. Not that busy today.